Hello my dear children, once again welcome back to your favorite subject mathematics. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 15, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Okay, and this is the last chapter. Okay, this is the last chapter. So after that we are going to end our portion. Okay, so here we are going to end our mathematics first standard portion. So that is the last chapter, is last chapter 15, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. So in this video you are going to learn in detail about money. Before that, let's read this paragraph. Okay, so we all love our parents' family, don't you? We want to give them a gift on their birthdays. You need to buy a card or flowers to gift them. To buy these you need money, right? So to give someone in some special days, what we want, children? Yes, we need to give a gift. So for that, what we need? We need a money to buy the gift. Of course, yes. So your parents need money to buy you books or pay your school fees. You also need money to buy sweets, pencil, balls, etc. Whatever you want to buy from outside, you need money, right? So even though your parents also struggling so much to earn money, for what? To fulfill your needs, right? So money is important to lead a life. So money is in the form of coins or currency notes. So in which form the money is? Money is in the form of coins or currency notes. So coins are made of metals and currency notes are made of paper. Okay, so coins are made of which, children? Metals. Okay, and currency notes made of paper. Now let us know the symbol of money. So the symbol for rupee is, this is the one. Okay, not the symbol of money, children. The symbol of rupee, not the money, rupee. What we call for that? Rupee. R-U-P-P-E, rupee. So the symbol for rupee is like this. Okay, now how to write this, children? It is similar like a Hindi Vardamala Akshar R, right? So you will write like this, isn't it? And this is a R. You have to do just like this. This is a symbol for rupee. Okay, this is the symbol for rupee. Okay, now let's know more about the coins. Okay, let's know more about coins. Coins worth 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise and 25 paise were available but are no more in use now. Okay, so this 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise, 5 paise and 10 paise and 20 paise and 25 paise. So these were available but not used now. So we are not at all using these all pieces. Okay, so I don't have the real coins, but I have a chart. So I brought a chart to show you. So you can see here, children. So this is a, yes, this is a 1 rupee, sorry, 1 paise, and this is 2 paise, and this is 3 paise, and this is 5 paise, and this is 10 paise, and this is 20 paise, and this is 25 paise, and this is 50 paise. You may have seen these 25 and 50 paise, and this, about this you can ask your grandparents or you can ask your parents also. Okay, they may tell you in detail about this. Okay, now these coins are not in use, right? Yes, even though 25 paise and 50 paise also is not in a use, but 25 completely stopped at 25 paise, and 50 paise we can see here and there, but very rare, right? Yes, so let's continue. Only coins worth 50 paise, rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10 are in use now, right? Yes. So here I brought you different coins. So you can see here 1 rupees coins, and this is all 2 rupees coins, and this is 5 rupees coin, and this is 10 rupees coin. Okay, so the one thing you can observe here, children, these all coins launched in a different year. You can see here 2012, 2013, 2015, and this is 1998 year. Okay, so this is a different year they launched these coins. You can see here 2 rupees coins also, and this is 5 rupees coins, and this is 10 rupees coins. Okay, so you can collect more coins also, and you can know more about the coins also. Now let's move to the currency notes. Now come to the page number 126. You can see here currency notes, children. So this is 1 rupees currency notes, and this is 2 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes, and this is 50 rupees notes. This is 50 rupees new note, and this is 100 rupees note, and you can see one more new 100 rupees notes, and this is 200 rupees note, and this is 500 rupees note, and this is 2000 rupees note. And as you all know, currency notes are made of paper, right? And coins are made of metals. So just I want to give you some information about this, children. So the Indian rupee is the official currency of India. Okay, so this is all just for your knowledge. So the rupee is subdivided into 100 paise, though as of 2019 coins of denomination of 1 rupee is the lowest value in use. So the currency is controlled by the which bank? Reserve Bank of India. This is very important, children. Now only you should know about this. Okay, so the currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. And about the notes, so most bank notes are made from the cotton paper. Okay, so most notes are made from the cotton paper with the weight of 80 to 90 grams per square meter. So the cotton is sometimes mixed with the nylon or other textile fibers also. So this is just for your knowledge, children. Okay, and just you can go through this and you can learn more about the currency notes and coin also. Okay, so here I am going to end my today's class. So see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye, and know more about coins and currency notes. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.